Today there was a profit booking in Bank Nifty and it was as expected. This was actually good for all the traders who is bullish on Indian market. Bank Nifty made a new high early in the morning and that is why profit booking was expected. Remember, positional traders when gain overnight will definitely book profit and most of the traders are staying away from the market. This is because the volume that we see currently in the market is either the traders are staying away from the market or they are trying to analyze as per the new RBI's rule regarding leverage. Even we request you to trade with strict stop loss or better avoid trading for some day. Hey guys, welcome to another episode from Vega Stocks. In this video, we will analyze today's Bank Nifty price action and we'll try to predict for tomorrow. But before we start, as usual, a disclaimer, this video is only for educational purposes and we do not provide any recommendation or tips. If you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Before I start today's video, let's discuss some psychological points which are important, and this psychological point will really help you to become a good trader. The first point is that you should remember that on Friday market was sideways. When I say market, that means Bank Nifty was sideways. Similarly, on Monday there was a directional movement to the upper side. As I said, it was a good day for option buyers. Today also market gave a directional movement, so this was also actually good for the option buyers. Now we are left with 2 days, that is Wednesday and Thursday. So you might expect a sideways market tomorrow and we can expect some directional move towards the second half on Thursday, the expiry day. Remember, if it doesn't function this way, then the premium of put will be very low and premium of call will be very high. So this type of movement is called adjustment. Nifty has already made a all-time high and Bank Nifty is close to their all-time high. So this type of price movement allows the premium to settle down. Adjustment is important and it balances out the premium of both call and put. Market is still positive, but before making upside move, it will try to change your mind. If all of them are bullish, then how come we can make a profit? If we are making profit, then definitely someone is making loss, isn't it? If you are losing money, then definitely someone is making profit from your money, and vice versa is the situation. That is the reason why brokers are always considered as a happy business. You win or you lose, you have to pay brokerage. Remember, try to make only one trade for the day if possible, and if you miss the trade for any reason, XYZ reason, please do not enter into the market. Leave it for the next day. Our motto should be to make profit more than what bank's interest rate are, and if you are able to achieve that in a given month, then you are actually a good trader. So work on your mindset. Keep your mind as cool as possible during market hours. All the strategies can be learned and I am here to teach you, but make sure you have to work on your mindset and discipline. If you think you have made profit for the day, close the terminal and come back tomorrow. Now you will ask why I have shared this knowledge. Because a disciplined trader will always make money by learning only one strategy, and indisciplined trader will always lose money even if he knows everything about the market. This is an important message and I hope that you will focus more on discipline rather than running after learning all the strategies. I will share today's trade on Instagram. So let's now focus how market may react or may perform tomorrow. Remember, I am still bullish on both Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. First of all, draw the trend line the way I have drawn and you can see on the screen. Remember 35,300 to 35,250 is acting as a good support. See why I am saying this? Because as you can see here, it tries to break this level. First of all, it gave a breakout from this resistance level on Monday. Then this is the second time it tried to break but could not. Then this is the third time, and then again this is the fourth time. So 4 times price has tried to break this support but have failed, and that is why we say that Bank Nifty is still bullish. Let's first discuss as usual, then later on I'll share some more points that we should remember. So if price opens flat and goes up and breaks this trend line, then buy call for a target of 35,850 with today's closing price as stop loss, and today's closing price is at 35,337, so make it round figure of 35,350. If it retraces from this trend line, avoid trading. Then you might see a sideways market, and maybe in the second half there might be a breakout and a trending market. If there is a flat opening and price goes down, in that case we will watch how price reacts to its support level of 35,200 to 35,250 levels. If it breaks, buy put for a short target of 35,050 only, or else avoid. Make sure that you buy put only when there is a proper price action, otherwise avoid. If retrace from this level, you can buy call for a target till today's closing price, which is very less, and it will act as a resistance. Hence prefer to buy call only if price crosses today's closing price. Remember 35,526 will also act as a resistance, so this is up to where you should expect your target. And again remember, if all this happens during the first 1 hour of the trading session, then definitely assume a bigger move tomorrow in Bank Nifty. If there is a gap down opening above 35,200, then avoid trading till the time price doesn't crosses today's closing price. And if it breaks 35,200 or opens below 35,200, then wait for the price action if you want to buy put. Similarly, if there is a huge gap opening, wait for the price action and then trade accordingly. Now if there is a gap up opening above today's closing price, avoid buying call till the time it doesn't crosses this trend line. Okay, so I hope I have covered everything. If missed, then do let me know in the comment box and hit the like button. I will definitely get back to you. Now some points to remember. See, we all know that market is bullish, and this is the known fact by everyone. Hence do not buy call blindly and trade only when you see a proper price action. If market is volatile, avoid trading. Save your money. This will help you in future. As you are aware that India VIX is very low. VIX means volatility index. This is very low. So this is the reason why your loss is minimum when you trade. When you trade is wrong. Bigger players are not able to make money, and hence they are eagerly waiting for their turn. There is one more point. All the indices functions differently, so do not consider all stocks and indices price action will be exactly the same as Bank Nifty. We share this information for knowledge only, and I request you to try to do your own studies. As I have already said, if indices is trading at their all-time high, it will not sustain to that level for long. Currently, American market is very bullish. Hence, we can expect good bullish trend tomorrow, but it will all depend upon its opening price. If there is a normal gap up above closing price, then we might see good movement above 35,700 levels. And if you are a beginner, then do not trade and try to learn as much as possible. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues so that they also get benefited. Thank you for your support. Keep learning and happy trading.